baby. Hold on.
And then another one for you, Grandpa. Another one for you, Grandpa.
That's right. You remember that one.
Another one for you, Grandpa.
Thank you very much.
Hey, Bird.
Open it up, Grandpa.
Open it up.
I'll open it later. Let's see.
Yeah, and we have a card for you.
That's my card.
What's
From
all?
you.
Why don't you?
Thank you. We have a card for him, baby. Here. This is Grandpa's stuff. It's right here.
And I have these presents.
Yeah. This is Grandpa's. That's Grandpa's. This is yours.
Here, Grandpa.
Aw, Jaden, you bought me presents?
Thank you.
This says you bought me presents. What'd you get me? What'd you get me?
That's your present.
This is mine?
Those are my presents.
This one's yours. Give that to Grandpa. Wow.
Thank you.
Those earrings for you.
Yeah, I don't have nothing in.
Yeah,
Jaden,
open it up.
Jaden, you bought me a new jewelry kit. Thank you.
Yeah.
I needed one.
Yes, it will bring.
Thank you. What's this? Ooh, just what I wanted. I put my jewelry in there. Thank you. Open that one. That's yours.
Okay. Where I started?
There you go.
There?
Yep. Look, baby.
I have new something.
Look, you got your very own chocolates in here. I put here. Okay. Ooh, Thomas the Train Bouncy
A new
Ball.
business doll.
That's a bouncy ball like Mason's. Because I know you always like it when you're at his
And
house.
I have another one.
Oh,
That's for me.
Grandma. That's Grandma's.
Here, Grandma, open this
Oh,
one.
thank you.
Presents.
Whose is this? This is Aunt Jen. This is Aunt Jen's card.
Where's my card?
Your card? We better get your card. I didn't get your card. You can't breathe. And hold on, baby. Let's see what else is yours. Oh, somebody left it OA. No. Isn't that cool?